Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Some days ago I have participated in an amazing event and today I want to share my experience with you. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't miss new recipes, baking ideas and interesting facts about Switzerland. So this time it was a local market where local creators got the chance to present their work. I have prepared the most popular and tastiest desserts. These were nuts, cupcakes, muffins and a chocolate cake, and I was so happy to see all of my clients coming there to get my desserts. And as you all already know, I'm also a card designer, so obviously I took my invitation and greeting cards with me. And they were such a success. Can you imagine how happy I was? And by the way, if you live in Switzerland, you can already order them on my website and Etsy and get them delivered to you. And you can also get invitation cards in digital format from all over the world on Etsy. You will find the links to Etsy and both Instagram account under this video. My pastry blog is filled with some cool cake decoration ideas. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.